Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file to Google Sheets without losing formatting. We will use this sample weekly schedule as our Excel file. Let's close this now and start the conversion by uploading the Excel file to Google Drive. In your browser, go to drive.google.com to open your Google Drive. At the top left, click the plus new button. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Find and select your Excel file from your computer, then click Open. Wait a few seconds for the upload to finish. Hover your cursor to the green check sign at the bottom of your screen, then click the Show File Location button. The file will appear in your drive with an Excel icon beside it. That means it's still in the Excel format. Next, we'll open the file using Google Sheets. Right-click the uploaded Excel file. From the menu that appears, click Open With and then choose Google Sheets. This will open the Excel file inside Google Sheets while keeping most of the original formatting. A pop-up may appear on your screen to prompt you on taking a tour to Office editing. This usually happens if it is your first time to open an Excel file in Sheets. You can either select Got It or take a tour. You can now view and edit the file just like a regular spreadsheet. Now, let's save this permanently as a Google Sheets file. Go to the top left, click File, and then select Save as Google Sheets. This will create a new, fully converted copy of the spreadsheet in your drive with a Google Sheets icon. The original Excel file remains unchanged. Just an important reminder, while most formatting can be preserved, some advanced Excel features like macros or unsupported formulas might not convert perfectly since Excel and Google Sheets use different systems for these types of content. But for most spreadsheets, the conversion works smoothly. So, that is how you convert an Excel file to Google Sheets without losing formatting. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.